Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my Pool Toys Asset 1.5 update to your avatar. So first you want to click on the folder and drag the prefab into the hierarchy. Then drag the prefab onto your model and unpack. Then you want to open up to your hands. And there, open this. Then pool donut left hand, donut right, and then the back goes on the chest, and then do the same for the noodle, left on left, right on right, and back goes on chest. After that, you'll need to do the animations, so you can open up the VRC Labs Avatar 3.0 Manager, and drag it where you like, and then drag your avatar into here, open up the FX, go into the animations folder and look for Pool Toy FX and add it into here, merge, and that should be good. Then you go to here for the parameters and find the parameters Pool Toy, drag it in here and copy. Next you'll need to add a submenu to this menu over here, or to your avatar menu, or right here. Name it whatever you would like, make it a submenu, and look for sub Pool Toys. And then after that, all the animations should be good. If you're using this on a different avatar, you're probably going to need to move stuff around. So you can go here for moving the donut and move this to right hand. Look for pool donut right hand. And then you can move this around to get it in the right spot. Then you'll also have to do the left hand. This one's like for the shield, and you can move that around for right here. Move this around. And then after you're done, just put it back to that. And then the same for the noodle. Go to right hand, and you find this, and you can move this around. Then you put it back to what it was. And then it should be all good.